Welcome to Throttle Channel. We are open and honest about automotive reviews. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button for updates whenever we upload our content. Today we bring you a review on the Toyota RUNX, Toyota ALLEX, and why the two cars were replaced by the stylish and attractive small hatchback, the Toyota AURIS. There has been so much backlash from the public of why a small car like the Toyota AURIS would be so expensive, tagged at a starting price of $1.6 million. The cars were discontinued one after the other, giving Toyota the chance to concentrate on one model that would provide competition to other brands in the same category. Toyota RUNX was replaced by the AURIS, still retaining engine ranges of 1,500 cubic centimeters and 1,800 cubic centimeters. The main difference between the two cars is their size, and Toyota ALLEX is a bit more spacious and has a commodious design. Toyota ALLEX offers slightly better fuel economy on the highway and better cruise control. It also offers a better balance between the engine power and the fuel economy. Toyota RUNX has a better traction control and slip differential. It is hard to compare between these two popular models. Both have excellent and handling attributes, as well as very popular throughout their run in both the domestic and international market. Put it in an easy way, if you're going to ride with the whole family, go for a Toyota ALLEX since it has more space, better fuel economy and cruise control. For a good speedy ride on the highway and exploring places, then Toyota RUNX is your better choice with excellent aerodynamics and handling attributes, optional sunroof, front fog lamp and also the xenon headlight. The Toyota ALLEX was initially developed as a successor to the Toyota Sprinter, a Toyota Corolla model. The styling of this chic hatchback was developed to meet the tastes of the European market, and this can be seen from both its stylish interior and exterior designs. Recently the AURIS was rebranded to the original Corolla name in a bid to provide a worthy competitor to the Ford Fiesta and other competitors in the mini hatchback category, according to Toyota manufacturers. History of Toyota AURIS. The Toyota AURIS, which first came into production in the year 2006, is a hatchback with an engine capacity of 1,800 cubic centimeters producing 147 horsepower. In 2018 the AURIS name was changed to Corolla in Toyota's bid to give the Ford Fiesta and Volkswagen Golf a single competitor. It's still not clear though whether the Toyota AURIS has been discontinued or is still in production. The AURIS comes in a compact tiny body which is crammed for headroom and legroom as well. This means that everything else is small, starting from the windows to the rear view mirror. However, this small body is built for quality, with quite comfortable seats, a double dashboard, comfortable steering wheel and nice soft materials everywhere you touch. The feeling is that of a luxury car in a small body. The car feels comfortable to drive, and that 1,800 cubic centimeters pushes you out of traffic with minimal struggle. Fuel consumption is fine since there are drive options such as Eco Mode, plus it comes with an engine stop option where it automatically turns off in traffic to save on fuel. The AURIS has keyless entry, a start-stop button and digital infotainment screen. Is Toyota AURIS a money throw or executive? Share your sentiments in the comments section.